Okay students, in previous class we started acids and bases. In this class we are going to discuss one more acid base theory, which is nothing but a Levy's acid base theory. In previous class we discussed already Arrhenius acid base theory and Bronsted acid base theory. So now one more theory, the need is arise to discuss one more theory, that is a Levy's acid base theory. What is the need of discussing this theory means, according to Bronsted, the substance which donates proton is called acid, but some substances are not donating protons, they can be act as acids. What about that type of substances means, the need is arise to discuss one more theory, that is Levy's acid base theory. It is a very important theory, which is Levy's acid base theory. Levy's acid base theory. Okay students, first of all, you know, according to Levy's acid base theory, what is an acid? What is an acid? So here what is an acid means, a substance donate electron pair, a substance accept electron pair from other substances to form coordinate covalent bond is called acid. Simply we may say electron pair acceptor is called acid. Electron pair acceptor, electron pair acceptor is called acid. Simply we may say. Okay. For example, Ag plus cation, it is act an acid. Next BF3, which having empty orbital, it can be act as a acid. SO3, which having multiple bonds, it can be act as a Levy's acid. Next oxygen, which having sextet electrons. Sextet means 6 electrons in their valency shell. 6 electrons in their valency shell. All these are act as Levy's acids. All these are act as Levy's acids. Understand? So here base, what is a base means, electron pair donor. Electron pair donor. Electron pair donor, the substance which donates electron pair to the other substance which form coordinate covalent bond is called base. The substance which act as a electron pair donor is called base. Base, for example, we may write bases, for example NH3, which having lone pair of electrons, CO, which having multiple bonds, and the substance which can be act as a lone pair of electrons means which contains more than one or multiple bonds, they can be act as a bases. H2O, which having 2 lone pairs, it can be act as a bases. Understand? What is a base means, according to Levy's acid base theory, the substance which donate electron pair. Electron pair donor. Electron pair donor is called base. Electron pair acceptor is called acid. Then you have to know Neutralization. Neutralization. See here, example. Neutralization means coordinate covalent bond is formed between the Lewis acid and Lewis base, which gives a molecule, is called neutralization. Okay, see here, NH3 which having lone pair plus BF3 which having vacant orbital gives rise to NH3 to BF3 which gives rise to NH3 BF3. So it is ammonia boron trifluoride. Ammonia boron trifluoride molecule is formed. It is a coordinate covalent bond. It is a coordinate covalent bond. Okay, it is a acceptor. It is a acceptor. It is a donor. Donor means Lewis base. Acceptor means Lewis acid. It is a dative bond which is indicated like this. Which is indicated like this. Understand? So this is a Lewis acid base theory. Lewis acid base theory. Okay. Now we will solve some problems. We will solve some problems on Bronsted acid base theory and Lewis acid base theory. Then you may get an idea. Okay. Solved problems given in textbook. So we will solve. See here in textbook page number 250. Page number 250 in textbook. Problem number 7.12. Problem number 7.12. So, what will be the conjugate bases for the following Bronsted acids? Write conjugate bases for the following acids, following Bronsted acids. Okay, it is the given problem. So acid, we have to write conjugate base. CB means conjugate base. So here HF next H2SO4 HCO3 minus. Okay, so write the conjugate bases for the following Bronsted acids. When acid is given, we have to write conjugate base means we have to remove proton. We have to remove proton. Proton means H plus. So gives rise to minus H plus. Then if it is a F minus, okay, then minus H plus, it is a HSO4 minus. So this molecule can be divided into H2SO4 can be divided into H plus plus HSO4 minus. So if you remove, then minus H plus HSO4 minus is formed. It is conjugate base. Then here minus H plus. It can be divided into HCO3 minus gives rise to H plus plus CO3 minus 2. Then CO3 minus 2 is its conjugate base. Understand? So this is the way we may write. We may write when acid is given conjugate base means removal of proton. Removal of proton. Okay. Then write the conjugate acids for the following Bronsted bases. One more type of problem. See, this is 7.12. Next we are going to discuss 7.13. Write the conjugate acids for the following Bronsted bases. 7.13. Write the conjugate acids for the following Bronsted bases. Bronsted bases. Okay. See here NH2 minus. So write Bronsted bases. So we have to write conjugate acid. NH2 minus. Next NH3 HCOO minus. These are bases. We have to write conjugate acids. These are acids. We have to write conjugate base means removal of H plus. Here we have to add H plus H plus, then it will be NH3. Okay. Here also we have to add H plus, then it is NH4 plus. NH3 plus H plus means NH4 plus. Here H plus, the plus minus cancel, then HCOOH. Okay. Here neutral, it will get positive charge. Here minus, plus minus cancel, neutral. Here it is minus, plus minus cancel, neutral. Understand? So this is the write the conjugate acids for the following Bronsted bases. It is write the conjugate bases for the following Bronsted acids. Understand? When acid is given, we have to write a base means removal of H plus ions can be done. When base is given, we have to add conjugate acid means adding of H plus ions can be done. Okay. Then one more problem. See next 7.14. 7.14. See, write conjugate acids and conjugate bases for the following species. Write conjugate acids and conjugate bases for the following species. For the following species. Okay, see here, species, this is a conjugate acid, it is a conjugate base. Conjugate base. See here, H3O plus H2CO3, then H2SO4, then NH4 plus, sorry, H2O, HCO3 minus HSO4 minus next NH3. Okay, this is the following species. Then we have to write conjugate acid, we have to write conjugate acid and conjugate base. We have to write conjugate acid means removal of H plus, removal of H plus, it is H2O, it is H2O. Okay, acid means plus H plus, then H3O plus. Okay, it is a conjugate acid means adding H plus. Base means a removal of H plus, it is a minus H plus. Understand? Acid means adding of H plus, base means removal of H plus. Okay, then here plus H plus, H2CO3, plus minus cancel, H2CO3. Okay, then removal of H plus. So remove H plus CO3, one more hydrogen on removing means it gets minus 2, it gets minus 2. Then here remove, adding of H plus, then H2 SO4. If you add H2 SO4, okay, then minus H plus, minus H plus, then what happened? H, then SO4 minus 2, already one minus is there. If you remove one more H plus, then you will get two minuses. Then it is minus H plus. Then what happened? NH2. It is a neutral. Then you will get NH2 minus on removing H plus. Then if you take this one plus H plus. So adding H plus. Then what happened? NH4 plus. NH4 plus. Okay, so this is the way we may write species, conjugate acid conjugate base. Understand? So what I mean to say, some species can be act as both conjugate acids and conjugate bases. Some species can be act as both conjugate acids and conjugate bases. Next, one more question. Classify the following species into Lewis acids and Lewis bases. Classify the next problem 7.15. 7.15. Classify the species into Lewis acids and Lewis bases. Lewis acids and Lewis bases. Show how these act as. Show how these act as. See first one, A OH minus, A OH minus, B F minus, F minus, C H plus, H plus, D BCl3, BCl3. Okay, see here students, you people are from the beginning English medium. You have to know first what is the given question. Means you have to try to knowing that English what is given. Then only my explanation will be you may get. Then only my explanation will be you may get. Then only you may think. Then only you may show your identification. See here, classify the species into Lewis acids and Lewis bases. Show how this. Here some species is given. So he is asking which is Lewis acid, which is Lewis base and why. See first one, OH minus, it having already 6 electrons, one donated to this, then one gaining, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it having 3 electron pairs. 3 electron pairs means it can be donate. So it is a Lewis base due to lone pair of electrons. Due to lone pair of electrons. Okay. Then B, F minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It having already 7 electrons in their valency shell. By gaining 1 means it having 8 electrons. So it is also, it is Lewis base due to lone pair electrons. Due to lone pair electrons. Due to lone pair electrons. Understand? Then if you take this C, H plus, hydrogen having only 1 electron, that is also loose. Loose means it having empty orbital. So it can accept electron pair. So it is a Lewis acid and due to empty orbital. Due to empty orbital. Due to empty orbital. Okay. D. BCl3. It having empty orbital. BCl3. It having empty orbital. It is Lewis acid due to empty orbital. Understand? So this is the way. So these two are Lewis bases, these two are Lewis acids. The substance which having lone pair of electron can donate to others to form coordinate covalent bond is called Lewis bases. Simply, electron pair donor is called Lewis base, electron pair acceptor is called Lewis acids. Electron pair acceptor is called Lewis acid. Electron pair donor is called Lewis base. So this is the way. It is also important. So this is also important. Okay. So as a species is given, when we have to write conjugate acid, the species is given, we have to write conjugate bases. When the species is given, we have to classify acids or bases. It is based on Lewis acid base theory. This question is given based on Lewis acid base theory, and this question is given based on Bronsted acid base theory. See, what is acid according to Bronsted acid base theory? Proton donor is called acid. Proton acceptor is called a base. Here proton donor means acid. So it is a species, its conjugate acid is H3O plus, means adding. It is a species, its conjugate base is OH minus, means removing. Here it is adding, here it is removing. Don't confuse. You have to practice more and more. So on these topics, then you will get an idea. So it is important for objective type also. So very important for objective type also. Okay. So in this topic, Lewis acid base theory and Arrhenius acid base theory, and what is a conjugate acid base pair, that is also important. The acid base pair, conjugate acid base pair means the acid base pair which differ by a proton, is called conjugate acid base pair. The acid base pair which differ by a proton is called conjugate acid base pair. Example, NH3, NH4 plus, H2O, OH minus, all these are examples. Okay. Here you have to know H2O can be act as both acid and base. It can donate if you take H2O, it can donate the proton, it can accept the proton. So it is a neutral compound. H2O is a neutral. You have to know a node. H2O is a neutral molecule. Okay. Why? Because it can donate the proton and it can accept the proton. This is the way. On losing means OH minus, hydroxyl ions are formed. On gaining, hydronium ions are formed. It is hydronium, it is hydroxyl, it is a neutral. Okay. So this is briefly Lewis acid base theory and problems. Okay. So one more topic is there, that is a solubility product. We will discuss in the next class. Okay.